Hi everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 2 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the energies coming to your love life this 2024. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see what are the energies coming to me each month, and it helps me align with whatever goals that I have for the month. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Aries, let's see what are the energies coming to your love life in 2024. Yan. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And also, please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see. Aries. Sa inyong love life, 11th house. Okay? Mas marami kayo ngayong magiging kaibigan ngayong 2024. Especially sa inyong career, trabaho ninyo, marami kayong makikilala. And some of them meron silang karmic connections sa iyo. So they are meant to know you, you are meant to know them, no? Para merong life's lessons na maibigay sa inyo. Ayan. So maraming friends, maaring ngayong 2024 you will connect with a lot of people. Sasali ka sa mga groups, sa mga clubs, na kung saan marami kang makikilalang bagong connections, friendships. So, some of you naman, sasama sa mga festivals, can also be traveling and, connecting to more people. So, maganda to kasi makakatulong to sa inyong career, no? Possible din na yung iba, makahanap kayo ng romantic partner if you are looking for a romantic partner sa grupo ng mga acquaintances na makikilala nyo or sa trabaho. So, let's see your overall energy. You have the World. Wow. So, some of you, maaring magkakaroon ng connection long distance. Oo. Or sa pag-abroad nyo, yan, meron kayong makikilalang partner. What is this? You have the King of Wands. Possible na ang person that you will be dealing with ay isang fire sign, no? Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Malakas ang dating nito. Pwedeng foreigner, makikilala mo sa ibang bansa, or remote yung inyong magiging connection, no? Hindi kayo pwedeng long distance relationship ito. So, pwede rin very passionate yung magiging connection ninyo ng person na to. So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Aries? Whoa, the Tower. And then 8 of Swords.
may entrapment o parang meron kang kailangan mo nang i-let go of. Oo, na naglilimit sa'yo. Pwedeng you are in a toxic situation, relationship man yan, or connection, or even sa sarili mo na pakiramdam mo, you are alone, wala kang ibang kasama, wala kang ibang malapitan, feeling mo mag-isa ka lang. But I think, ang magbabago sa'yo rito yung pananaw mo. Kasi possible na meron kang makikilala na isang tao na mag-encourage sa'yo to come out of your shell, kumbaga. Na magkaroon ka ng lakas ng loob. So, your opportunity. What is the opportunity? O, diba? Ace of Cups. New opportunity for love. Overflowing love. So, meron talaga ritong papasok sa relationship. The Hanged Man. Ayan, yung sinasabi ko sa inyong bagong perspective, pananaw sa buhay pagdating sa relationship. Yung iba, kung dati mabilis kayong pumasok sa isang relationship, ngayon, hindi nyo, kumbaga parang you will take your time, pag-iisipan mo, no? Kasi gusto mo ngayon seryoso talaga yung connection. Gusto mo nararamdaman mo talaga yung love, hindi lang dahil sa gusto mo ng adventure. So, let's see your blessing. Blessing sa love life. Uy, 9 of Cups. Mayroong fulfillment, emotional fulfillment. I think, yung iba kung hindi kayo masyadong open for romantic connections ngayon, yung mga bago mong kaibigan na makakasalamuha ngayong 2024, pwedeng sila ay mga soul family mo, no? So, ibig sabihin parang soulmates kayo. There are some people there na magiging sobrang close mo, lagi kayong lalabas together, and pati yung mindset ninyo pareho, no? With the Magician card. So, I think ito yung time na mas magiging totoo ka sa sarili mo, na you don't have to, parang i-hide or itago yung totoong ikaw, kasi tanggap ka ng mga taong magmamahal sa'yo. Okay? Whether they are group of friends, romantic partner, but definitely there is a new connection na nag-emerge dito, new relationship. So, let's see, ano pa? Aries. Uy, merong snake. Be careful lang din sa mga papasukin yung connections ngayong 2024, kasi possible dyan, medyo risky, no? Ayan, no? Pwedeng meron ng asawa, may commitment na, oo. Or yung iba naman sa inyo, if you are already married, medyo maging careful rin kayo sa mga nakakasalamuha ng asawa mo, no? Mga kaibigan. Kasi possible na meron dyang magkaroon ng complicated connection with someone. Alam mo na, baka meron dyang umahas, kumbaga, parang ganun. Umahas talaga. So, be careful. And then, let's see. What else? Meron talagang union for some of you. Yung iba rito nakikita ko na parang susugal ka pagdating sa relationship. Lalo na kung matagal ka ng nabakante or matagal ka nang walang karelasyon. So, ngayong 2024, if you feel like there is someone na nagpapasaya talaga sa'yo, pwedeng you will take that to the next level, next level of commitment, no? So, maaring meron ditong ma-engage or magpapakasal. O, diba? Tingnan mo, the union of hearts. A love connection defies explanation. So, yung mga Aries dyan na gustong magpakasal. So, there is a very big possibility na may kasal on the horizon. Spend quality time together. Wow. So, when it comes to your relationship, Aries, definitely there is someone coming in dun sa mga naghahanap, no? As long as open kayo sa mga bagong connections, friendship, syempre kailangan lumabas-labas kayo, no? Magjo-join kayo ng mga clubs, pupunta kayo sa iba't ibang lugar, alam mo yon, be open sa mga connections because you'll never know. Kasi meron ditong person na talagang may in love sa'yo and may in love ka rin. Yes. So, yeah, there you go. That is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.